The next part about removing the tire is breaking the bead loose. This is a tubeless rim. It's a Bontrager Duster, which has their tubeless rim strip in it, true tubeless, UST spec, even though it doesn't say so on it, which means it has a bead lock. Yeah, the bead is pretty tight, locked in on the rim, which is what it's designed to do. And until you get that bead the tire popped loose from the rim, you are not going to be able to get a tire lever in there. You are not going to be able to get the tire off. Simple. Basically, just take your thumbs right at the edge, push down. See, this is not cooperating very well. I'm going to move over here where you can see it a little better and I get an angle. One hand supporting here, the other here. With the palm heel of my hand, I push down. You heard it pop loose. Go all the way around. May have to push. This has a tube in it. I know that's an issue with some people. They think the tube makes it harder. It's really not any harder. Flip it over. Do the other side. You heard it once again pop loose. So now the bead is completely loose. Wipe my hands off here for a moment. Now we are going to take this off the rim. I'm still not going to use any levers. I rarely have to use the tire lever. What we're going to do, you can see this is quite loose. I'm going to get the bead pushed to the center of the rim where it's going to drop down inside the tire well. Or the tire well, it's the center. All the way up. I got some slack. Look at that, I can just push the bead off without even getting my hands under it. But I'm going to go back and clean it up on the barrel and just pull it up over the edge. Again, on the other side, I'm having to make sure the tire bead is towards the center. You can see there that it is down in the center. Then if I go leave it there, put the opposite side of the tire, pulls right off. No fuss, no muss, no tools. Let's try that again. Different tire. Different tire, different rim. This is a WTB Laserdisc XC. It also has a interior profile that's similar to a UST Bontrager style tubeless. A little bead lock. I know people have problems getting tires on and off of these also. It's also a tube tire. It has a tube in it. Deflating. And take a while to deflate a tire. Get as much air out of it as I can. Bringing my trash can back in. You can see this one actually pushes down quite easily. Both sides. And off comes the bead. As I pulled the bead and tire bead into the center of the rim. Bring it all together other side. There we are.